Today we talk about how can you request to delete account on your Whoosh app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here. You click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on your name, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, then you click here on request to delete account, just click on it. So then you click here on delete account here, then automatically here it's going to delete with you on your Whoosh app. So that's all you have to do to delete your app. I wish you a great, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.